Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you are doing fine and staying safe. So today we are going to see lesson 1 for Ielts writing. One thing I would like to say is this is the updated version for 2022. Okay, so till 2020 or 21 there were slight changes, but now the examiners have become little bit more confident and have increased the criterias for getting band 7 plus. So we will see what changes there are and how to build our essays. So in the first lesson we are going to see what are the structure for the basic structure for all the IELTS essays. So let's start. First is that how many body paragraphs should you write in your essay? There are many students who write 5 or 6. So writing more paragraphs doesn't give you more bands. You must remember that they are looking for better sentences and the perfect task achievement. So you should write only 4 paragraphs. That is introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion. We are going to write only 4 body paragraphs in our essay. Whatever essay type it is, you have to write only 4 paragraphs. Do not write extra paragraph for your opinion alone. Okay, this 4 paragraph is more than enough. Now what should we include in our introduction paragraph? So in intro paragraph, we are going to write only 3 statements that will come around 40 to 50. Okay, 40 to 50 words. So first line will be a general statement. General statement means when you read a question, you understand what is the main topic of the question. Once you understand the topic, you just have to write one line regarding that topic. For example, look at the question here. Some people think that keeping pets is good for children while others think it is dangerous and unhealthy for them. Discuss both and give your opinion. So when you read this question, you know this question is about pets, having pets or not having pets. So this question's main topic is about animals or having pets. So your general statement will have one line regarding this pets only. It can be anything, it can be related to the question or general idea about you having anything to talk about pets. You can tell it has not to do anything with the question. You just have to remember that you have to start with a phrase, or you have to say like beyond a shadow of doubt or without any doubt. These kind of phrases you have to use and start your general statement. Use synonyms for the keyword. That is, if the question's keyword is pet, I cannot use pet. I have to use domesticated animals, home animals, like that. Use synonyms. So when I give my general statement, I would be saying, without a doubt, having domestic animals in house has become a norm in today's aeon. So I'm just telling something about pets in today's world. I'm not going deep into the question. So that is how you should write your general statement. Phrase and a paraphrased version of anything related to the main topic of the question. The second statement is your thesis statement. Now what is thesis statement? Thesis statement is nothing but paraphrased version of the main question. Now what is the main question here? The main question is that whether children should have them or they should not have them. This is the question. Okay, some people are saying that children should have pets but others think it's dangerous. Now in our thesis statement, we are going to write a statement which has the same meaning but completely different sentence structure as well as the words. That is, if you see here, the question is saying some people while other people. So this some people while other people is a complex statement. That structure, few people opine while other people say. You should avoid writing the same sentence structure in your thesis statement. you should write some different sentence structure. For example, I have written whether structure, whether this or that. Instead of writing while some people, while other people, I have changed the sentence structure and I'm using whether this or that. So I have written there is a dilemma as to whether it is essential for young ones to have them or it has side effects on their life. So I am saying the same thing, that one section of people are saying that it is good for children. So I have used a synonym. I have said it is essential for young ones. So instead of saying kids or children, I am saying young ones. Important or necessary, I am saying essential. Others say it's unhealthy and dangerous for them. So I am saying it has side effects on their life. Unhealthy and dangerous are some of the side effects. So that is why I am paraphrasing it as side effects on their life. So I am not using the words that has been used in the question. I'm also not using the same sentence structure or what you call as subordinates in my sentence. I'm using a different sentence structure as well as the paraphrasing. So it will be like this. Now, third statement is our overview or opinion statement. When the question asks your opinion, give your opinion. When the question does not ask your opinion, just give overview that what this essay will do. So you can say the main agenda of this treatise is to elucidate both stances before giving conviction in favor of having them. So because here the question has asked my opinion, I am including my opinion. If the question did not ask your opinion, don't include your opinion. Just say the main agenda of this treatise is to elucidate both stances before giving conviction, before giving examples or along with examples. Simple in a compound way. So these three statements and the way to write your introduction has been explained. So if you have any confusion, you can comment in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. Next, coming to body paragraph 1 and 2. Your both body paragraphs will have same sentence structure, that is same format. So you should follow the same format. Only the content will change. So if discuss means body 1 will be view 1, body 2 will be view 2. So in body paragraph, you are going to write 6 statements minimum. First is the topic statement. So if you are writing advantage, disadvantage, in topic statement, clearly say that to begin or start scrutinizing the essay, there are multifarious merits of having pets. So you should clearly say whether it is advantage paragraph or disadvantage paragraph, or this is view 1 or view 2 paragraph. Your topic statement must say the examiner this paragraph is about what. So that will boost your task achievement band. You should always start with some good phrase. Do not try to start with the phrases that we use, that is on one hand, on other hand, to embark upon, to start with, to begin with. These are outdated words. These are outdated words. Try to use new. If possible, try to start your body paragraphs with gerunds. Gerunds means verb plus ing. Scrutinizing the essay in detail, beginning the first stance, starting with the first view. Use gerunds to start your body paragraph. That will be much more beneficial for not only your task achievement but also for your grammar structure. So start your body paragraph with a phrase or gerund and then go about saying this body paragraph is about what, view 1 or view 2, advantage or disadvantage, problem or solution, like this. Second statement will be, now you are saying that these are the merits or these are the demerits. Now you have to say that merit or the demerit or why you think children should have pets. For this question that we saw, if we are telling that they should have pets, then we have to support it with one point. So start again with a phrase. Don't start with firstly, secondly, last but not the least. These words, these words are called linkers. Try to avoid using linkers and turn to phrases and clauses. That is, owing to this, due to which, first and foremost, the most prominent reason, the most disastrous effect, instead of using linkers like firstly, secondly, moreover, however, furthermore, use collection of words that are called phrases or clauses. Use these subordinators to boost your complex structure as well as to show your higher skill of making sentences. So start your support point with a phrase or a clause and say why you think people should have pets. Then explain further. Now when you say that to be, for the most prominent reason to have domesticated animal is to have sympathy or to have a friend, if you have said like this, to have friend, then you need to explain that how this is good. Then again you need to use some phrase and start to explain it further. When a kid is lonely after their parents go for work, these pets serve as a companion with whom they can not only play but also have emotional attachment, which will improve their emotional motor or something like that. So you have to use these kind of words. After you have explained and justified why that support point is supported, you have to give example. You can give example for point 1 or point 2, that is up to you, but each body paragraph should have one example for any one of the point. After you have given example or you have explained support point 1, your fifth sentence will be your second support point. Another point, that why you think children should have pets. Then you have to explain that as well. So on the whole, you have to have 6 statements in your both body paragraphs, where one topic statement will be there, one example will be there, 2 points and 2 explanations. Use every start every statement with a phrase or a clause, not with linkers like however, moreover. Moving to the last one, conclusion. Conclusion will have one statement if the opinion is not asked and 2 statement if opinion is asked. It's always good to avoid using any point that you have given in your body paragraphs. So if you have given in body paragraph that to be friendly, to enhance emotion as your support point, don't repeat them again in your conclusion. Just say that all in all, this essay discussed or put forth why children should have pets, like that. Okay, the reasons, don't tell the reasons again or it will become repetitive. In It's always better to start your conclusion with although, even though, or though kind of structure. So all in all, although there are many positives of having pets, but the dangerous effects can also not be neglected, which have been discussed in the above body paragraphs. So you have to say that although there are something, but this also cannot be overlooked. So this is summarization. You're not telling the points, but you are just paraphrasing your overview statement from introduction without mentioning the points again. If the opinion is asked, you will again give your opinion in conclusion as well, saying कि although there are some demerits, but I believe merits, or although there are some side effects, but I support the first view and have justified with examples in the body paragraphs. So do not repeat your ideas in conclusion, but just say what this essay did and again give your opinion if your opinion has been asked. Hope this structure will help you to get your bands higher. Follow the structure and the strategies, the new methods and techniques that will help you to get 7+ band. If you want online classes or evaluations, do contact us on our different social media platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram or YouTube. Comment in the comment section if you have any doubts. If you want materials for reading, writing and speaking for May to August 2022 exams, contact on WhatsApp to get the PDF materials, which are not only past exam question papers from January to May, but also there are chances of them being repeated in May, June, July and August. All the best for your exam, and do subscribe to our channel for all the lessons that are going to be uploaded every day from now onwards. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.